Today we are going to learn about Spacy. Now here, Spacy library will help us to understand the content of a given sentence. So Spacy generally will provide the information about how to understand a sentence or any topic or any paragraph with the help of their engines, especially with the language specific engines. So we should load en underscore core underscore web underscore sm, so which will help us to understand the English level sentences. So whenever we consider this sentence, so we are going to tokenize that sentence. So we are first, before tokenizing that sentence, we are about to pass that sentence as an argument to the object whatever we have created with the help of spacy.load. So after this sentence has been loaded, now we are going to identify this sentence, the content of the sentence which are actually relevant for us to semantically understand. So in order to do that, we are going to identify their parts of speeches. So parts of speech can be identified using token.pos underscore. So this is a constant where it will help us to identify every token in the parts of speech context. In the parts of speech context, we are identifying them as a noun, verb, adjective, and an adverb. Now, this token, whichever it has been identified with this respect to parts of speech, I am storing them in the contents word with the help of a iterative loop called as for. Now let's execute this program and we'll see how the contents will be identified. So this is how happy, dog, ran quickly were identified, and the word called as the has been not identified because the is a determiner which will be identified like a determiner in the parts of speech tag. So other than that, we have given as per the program noun, verb, adjective, and adverb. So those were identified with the help of your parts of speech tagging, and also Spacy helped us to identify them as good as possible. So this is how we can retrieve the content important or content related words from a given sentence or a paragraph. Thank you.